What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, for whatever reason, this video has just taken way too long to record. I've been meaning to get this video out for a couple of weeks now. I want to get it out as fast as possible because I really want to know what you guys have to say. Now, I'm just going to jump straight into it. So I need your guys' help. I actually need you guys' help on two things. The first thing would be if you guys would not mind giving this video a like. And that would not just be this video. That would be every video that you watch of mine. You know, you guys might not realize, but just doing something as little as liking my video or leaving a comment or sharing it, that like does so much for my channel. That's what's really going to make my channel grow. Basically, YouTube has an algorithm and it determines that the videos that have the most likes, comments, shares, all that good stuff, those are the videos that are going to get pushed to the top. Those are the videos that are going to get recommended to the most people. So essentially, those are the videos which are going to get the most growth. And growing my channel is really one of my priorities this year. I want to try and hit 5,000 subscribers. We're just below 4,000. And I really think that's going to be possible for me to do that this year. So just doing something as little as liking the video, like I really do appreciate it so much. Now on to the main topic of this video. So, I don't know how many of you guys have been watching me right from the beginning, like 2012, 2013 days, but I kind of started this channel as a fitness, bodybuilding, gym, workout channel, just to kind of document my progress. And I kind of progressed quite well over the years, but my channel didn't really take off as I'd liked it to. And it's kind of brought me to a place now where I've kind of wanted to change up my content. Now, in my opinion, like the whole fitness industry, you know, the whole YouTube fitness scene has like changed dramatically over the years. It's definitely not what it used to be. You can't just get away with posting workout videos and posting full days of eating and, you know, what does my workout plan look like? You know, you can't get away with those kind of videos anymore. And like I've seen like the standard of the videos in like the whole YouTube fitness scene, and yeah, like there's just not what it was. Like if you're not making a vlog like an entire Spielberg, you know, style movie, you're really like light years behind. And that's not really like the kind of content that I want to be producing. Unfortunately, you know, that's what you're gonna have to do if like you want your channel to grow, in my opinion. I didn't really like producing those videos. One, I don't have the capability to do that. I don't have the talent to be able to produce those types of videos. But I just feel that in producing those kind of videos, it kind of loses the like, kind of makes people lose the sense of touch with the person. You know, you can't really, it's hard to kind of gauge a person's personality when it's just kind of, you know, fogged behind loads of like fancy edits and like, you know, basically like a full-blown movie just for a simple vlog. Whereas, you know, I post like travel vlogs and I like to just keep them nice and simple, just simple cut edits, and you know, you can kind of just gauge what the video is about straight away. You haven't got to like beat around the whole bush, do you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'm pretty much thinking that I don't want to make fitness content anymore. But I just want to know what you guys think about this. Do you think that I should just stop uploading fitness content altogether? Do you think that I should maybe include it into some of my travel vlogs? Do you think that I should carry on doing like a monthly update of some sort? Or do you think that I should just focus my channel now on mainly car content? Because I have kind of developed quite a passion for producing car content. Like it's just so much fun. It's something that I'm always gonna be doing anyway. Like cars always need working on, and I have like a business plan in the future which will in some way, shape or form involve tinkering with cars, so that will like fall in nicely. And obviously I'll still be doing like my travel vlogs and all that stuff as well, because, you know, let's be honest, when I'm traveling, I'm always going to be recording it, because even for my viewing pleasure, it's always good to look back, and it's always good to have that video memory. But I know a lot of you guys like watching, you know, all the different places that I go to as well, which is cool. You know, I like to see the different places that people go to as well, so I'll always be keeping the travel vlogs. But I also want to this is where it gets a little bit tricky now. I also want to start doing some kind of like finance style videos, because I actually asked on the YouTube post, you know, would anyone be interested in making some making some finance videos, basically explaining like how I can save for a house, how I save so much, you know, like my monthly expenses and everything, how I keep them so low, and what's another video that people want to see? Yeah, like how basically I afford to travel like so much, how I afford my flights and all the rest of it. So I think that'd be like interesting. I think you guys like could learn something for that. Now it gets a little bit tricky at this point, because in my opinion, to be successful on YouTube, generally you need to have some kind of niche. You need to be offering something slightly different, or a slightly different take on something. And it's going to be kind of hard for me to juggle cars, travel, finance and fitness, like if I was to keep that. So I don't know, I don't know what would be the best plan moving forward. That's why I want to know what you guys think. I want to know your guys' opinion on this. And please just leave me some comments. I'll respond like to every single comment, so whatever you want to leave, you know, even if it's just like a generic great video, like I always appreciate that. But yeah, like I just really want to know what you guys think about it. You know, think about in a sense of obviously what you guys want to see, but then also think with the sense that obviously I want to grow my channel, so try and think about it from that point of view, because yeah, like I said, I don't want to like stretch myself too thin, and I want to try and keep some kind of structure to my channel. Because why YouTubers tend to progress and do well when they offer some kind of niches, because they develop then a subscriber group, a loyal subscriber group who continue to come back. They know what kind of videos they want to watch. Whereas if I have, you know, subscribers who come for my car content, and then I have subscribers who come for my fitness content, I'll upload a piece of car content, I get a bunch of subscribers come to watch that video, and then I'll upload a fitness video. Then those car guys will be like, wait, why is he uploading this video? I'm unsubscribing. Do you know what I mean? So it's kind of hard to keep a consistent viewership. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I know this video's just been like so rambly. I haven't planned it at all, and I just really needed to just get this like off my mind, and I just needed to kind of talk to the camera for a little bit. So I hope you guys appreciate what I'm trying to say. I just really need your guys' help, and yeah, I need some direction in my channel, so I can just knuckle down, start banging out the videos, and yeah, go from there. And I think that's it. Sounds like an ambulance of some sort. Alright, we've rambled on and off. I'm going to head into the gym. I'm going to continue the day with positive thoughts. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in that next video.